Hello, this is Monday, July 25th, 2016, and the time is just about 7:10 a.m. at the San Pedro River bridge crossing in Palominas, Arizona, southeastern Arizona. I'm on the south side of the Hwy92 river crossing at the bridge, and even though after a relatively busy night of monsoon activity, here is a video of the water flow along the San Pedro River at this bridge crossing. This is the first of several river crossings that has a bridge over the riverbed, and I've been checking for water flow along the river that flows into the United States from Mexico. Where this bridge is at is about 2 to 3 miles north of the international border with Mexico. As you can see in the video, there is no noticeable water flow along the river bed here at this point in the United States. Again, we're at the San Pedro River river crossing in Palominas, Arizona. It's Monday, July 25th, 2016, a little after 7:10 a.m. and looking along the riverbed with the cottonwood trees that line the riverbed, and the road, the Hwy92, has quite a bit of traffic heading both east and west. You go east, and from here you go into the area of Bisbee, Arizona, and if you head west along Hwy92 in this area, you're heading towards the Huachuca Mountains to the west. That's the end of this report on Monday, July 25th, 2016. Hopefully we'll have more water flow along this river as the monsoon progresses. This is the end of the report for today.